Today I'm going to show you guys how to get rich online making Fortnite maps with the power of Verseify AI, which can literally create your games out of thin air for you. No need to make thumbnails anymore, no need for Fortnite GG, no need to learn verse coding anymore, and no need for Sketchfab. Verseify seriously has it all, which drops in 6 days, which I'm going to be showing you guys an early preview so you guys can make more money online making Fortnite maps, because Verseify is seriously a game changer. You guys can sign up for the waitlist in the link in the description. Every single person who joins the waitlist within 24 hours will be given free credits when the software releases. So make sure to sign up. But now let me show you how you're going to get rich with Verseify and make your games out of thin air, guys. This is insane. So when the software releases, all you guys have to do is just press log in when you guys are signed up, and you're gonna have this nice, beautiful UI here called Verseify AI. And inside of here, I can literally just type whatever I want and it will generate it. I'm not kidding. Watch this. Create me a working double pump code. As you guys can see, it is generating the code for us, and you're gonna see within your eyes, this is the verse code double pump script made by Verseify. Is that not insane? So now all we literally have to do is just go into UEFN and use it. So that's exactly what we're gonna do to show you guys that Verseify is actually working, because this is seriously gonna change your life. Imagine not needing to have to make games anymore. Do you know how much time you're going to be saving? This is going to fully change UEFN and Fortnite forever. So I'm heading inside of UEFN and I'll see you guys there. Okay, so we're inside of UEFN right now. I'm going to open up a project. I can open up a new one. It doesn't really matter. I just call this one VCT, which means verse code testing. So we're going to load up inside of the project just like so. So as you guys can see, we are loaded inside of the project, and obviously Verseify shows us the instructions that we actually need to make this script and device actually working. So all we have to do is go ahead and go to Verse Explorer, open up a new project, and we can name this whatever we want. I'm going to call this double pump just because that is the actual ability that we are creating with my AI software. So we can go ahead and just press create empty, and as soon as that's created, you'll see a pop-up at the very top here, and all we have to do is copy and paste the code from Verseify, double click inside of the verse project, and copy and paste the code in. It's seriously that simple. And as you guys can see, we now have a fully working double pump script. Once I press build here, you're going to see that it's building successfully, and that pretty much means that I can go press build here, press build verse code, and as you guys can see, we have a working double pump device and script right in front of our eyes, guys. This is freaking phenomenal and insane. But first, we're going to hook up the devices that it's asking us to need, because Verseify tells us what devices we actually need to make our games actually proper and working. So we need the player marker device, which we can go ahead and link that inside of UEFN right here. We need the item granter device, so we can go ahead and bring that out and link it just like so. And we need the item remover device. So once your guys' devices are all linked up, guys, there's seriously really nothing else you need to do. We can just go ahead and press and launch a session here, and you're going to see the code fully working and fully functional. All right, guys, so we're loaded inside of the session. Everything is linked up to be fully functional and working. We didn't really even have to do anything. All we had to do was just plop down the devices and go inside of UEFN and just link them. That's it. We don't have to do any external factors and settings inside of here. Okay, so literally all we have to do now is just start the game, and you're going to see the magic bestow upon your eyes. So as soon as we spawn in, we're going to get this little glow thing to show that the verse code is working through the player marker device. And now as soon as we press interact, we're going to get the pump, and now we can start double pumping inside of Fortnite. Is this not insane, guys? We can now double pump inside of Fortnite. And mind you, this is only possible because of Verseify, my AI software. Do you guys not see the vision here? This is going to change your life forever. This is the get rich quick scheme, and this is how you're going to make money. You don't have to do a single thing ever making games. You don't need to learn verse code. I'll show another script right now. You don't need to learn how to make thumbnails. I'll show you how you can make thumbnails out of thin air too. Assets, 3D actual assets inside of your game that you can implement. You can do that out of thin air as well. This is the one-all shop for UEFN if you want to get rich online making Fortnite maps. So let me show you another script. This time it's going to be a tycoon. Alrighty, so let's go back onto Verseify. We can go ahead and just open up a new project. We can call this one Dropper Tycoon Device. Obviously you can use the same chat, but it's memorizing what you actually put in. It's learning from its mistakes, you know? It's getting better over time, like Iron Man Jarvis. So what we're going to do is search up create me a Fortnite Tycoon Dropper Device. And as you guys can see, it is going to generate a fully functional Tycoon Dropper device right before your eyes. As you guys can see, we have the Tycoon, we have all of the prompts and steps that it's telling you to actually set up this device. Like even if you guys go here, it's telling us the steps to actually set this up. So it's talking about the claimer trigger. So when you claim the dropper, when you claim the conveyor belt, the devices that are inside of your Tycoons, it's telling us to set up the actual device properly. It's even giving us code to set this up as well for the spawners and stuff. We have all this code here for the Tycoons that we can just copy and paste. Okay, it's crazy because the possibilities with this are seriously endless. You create the possibilities. You are limitless. You can do whatever you want. So we're going to set up this Tycoon code and show you guys that it's actually fully functional and working. So I'm now copy and pasting the code. If you guys want this code, you guys can join the Discord in the link in the description. And obviously we're still inside of our Fortnite session, so we can go back inside of UEFN and put in the code. Okay, so we are inside of UEFN right now, and all we have to do is just go ahead and open up a new project, press add new verse file to project, and we're going to call this Dropper Device, or we can just call it Dropper. That's shorter, easier. And all we have to do is just open up the verse code project file and press Ctrl V. And as you guys can see, fully functional Dropper Tycoon code. We can go ahead and press build successfully, and as you guys can see, it's building successfully. And now all we have to do is press build verse code at the top here. And as you guys can see, when I get rid of the search bar and we go to VCT content, we now have a Dropper Tycoon device. So let's go ahead and set this up. So right now, all we have to do is set up the Dropper device. As we have all of these triggers here, this is all we have to do, guys. So what we can do is go to all and search up trigger. We're going to need a few of of these because that is what we need. So what we can do is copy and paste them nice and easily, and we can go ahead and link the triggers to the specified devices it needs to go to. So we have an income trigger, and we can also have a billboard. So let's go grab the billboard device. Like I said, guys, Verseify is insane, guys. Like, you're never gonna have to struggle ever making games. So we can go grab the billboard device. There it is. And then this would be the dropper device. So obviously we do not have a dropper device yet, so we can go ahead and make one. But I'm gonna add this default one right here, and all we have to do, guys, is just press save changes, and you're gonna see the Tycoon fully functional with the dropper device. So let's go ahead and launch a session and show you guys. Okay, so we're inside of the session. Obviously we still have the double pump device working. That's all great and stuff. But now if we step on these triggers, as you guys can see on the top left, it's showing that we're generating money. Obviously I don't have any money actually set up. This is what removes it. This is what claims it. And over here we have a billboard sample text right here. So look, it's showing the money and the integers right here. I don't know if you guys could see that little zero. So the more that I step on this, obviously I'm never going to be getting money because I don't actually have it in the code set up. But if I set it up, you're going to see money being generated. So this is like the dropper device. This is fully functional and working. And of course, we still have the double pump device fully working and the Tycoon device system working as well. So now I want to show you guys an early special preview of the thumbnail AI generator coming very soon to Verseify, and as well the 3D object generator. So if you guys head on into Verseify, the pre-dashboard, these are all of the stuff coming very soon in the near future to Verseify. We have the thumbnail creator, we have the analytics dashboard, we have the 3D asset generation, and we're going to be promoting the best map that is featured that is using my software Verseify, who can make the best game possible with its imagination, because you can create whatever you want. So it's going to be featured and promoted and marketed here. This is truly your shot at generational wealth before your eyes, because once this is out, nobody is going to be learning verse coding anymore. Okay, there's going to be no need. This is going to take their job away completely. There's not going to be any scandalous code reselling, no more fake giveaways, no more fake XP tutorials. Everybody will be making games because I'm here to revolutionize the space and make this the biggest mainstream thing possible. So seriously, guys, what are you waiting for? Join the Verseify waitlist in the link in the description. Now this is what I want to show you guys. Okay, so if we go ahead and go onto Fortnite GG, we can see the people that are making the most money online making Fortnite maps. As you guys can see, there's 11 people who've made $10 million plus, and that's going to be you guys. I promise you it will. That's going to be me helping you guys with the software. Why can I not be you guys as well? I don't understand that. You are the controller and the ruler of your life. Okay, you control your destiny, nobody else. It's up to you to decide to take the leap of faith and take the action, take responsibility for yourself and other people around you to achieve success. I'm here to motivate you. I'm here to motivate you and get paid doing so and make you rich as well. That is what we're doing together, and that is exactly why I've been doing all of this for years and years to this exact point. This is it. Okay, the amount of impact that I'm going to have on your guys' life with this software, it's going to be monumentally insane, and I seriously cannot thank you guys enough for being here, because this feels like one of my lifelong's work. All I've ever wanted to do was vulnerably be able to express myself, share my mindset, share my wisdom, and motivate people. And I'm so blessed to be in a position where I can actually encourage you guys to take pursuit on something that is brand new to you guys, because I'm going to be honest, I own the entire market. I am number one in the entire space. I'm creating the supply and demand. I'm creating the market as we go. There's not a single person on earth doing what I'm doing, and I say that with pride and honor because I saw an opportunity to take advantage of, because I know that this is going to be beneficial and inspire millions of people, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. So on that note, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was the full-fledged video on Verseify. I can't wait for you guys to join and get it. This is going to change your life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. It's been your boy Davey Davis. Click the last video on the screen. Join Verseify in the waitlist down below. Join the Discord. Follow all the social medias. I'm out. Peace.